It actually works.
What's up guys, ever had a moment where you just want MagSafe but your phone kinda doesn't support it? There are two ways to get the MagSafe. The easy way, to just get the case that have magnets included, so you just put your phone in there and bam, you have MagSafe support. And the hard way, to get the native MagSafe experience by actually putting the magnets inside of the phone. To me, easy is boring, and hard is my middle name, so if you couldn't tell already, we're taking the complicated route. We're putting the magnets inside of the phone. Let's do this.
Okay, so this is an iPhone XR, and I'm just gonna open this up and add magnets inside of it. Now, I could have just used the case like this, so it has MagSafe magnets around it, but no, I don't want that. Or I could maybe just get a magnet and like stick it right here, just like put the magnet inside that, and bam, you get an actual MagSafe. But I don't want to have like this on the back of my phone all the time, and why not do it? Why not just put the magnets inside of it? I got my hands on one of these, which is like magnets. This cost me like, $2 or something off AliExpress, which is really cool. So what I want to do is to take apart the phone and put these magnets underneath the battery. Taking one of these apart is actually pretty easy. You have to take these two screws out of it, which is, not that hard at all. Okay, so when we do this, again, I've been in here before, and I'm gonna take like a spudgy or like something to disconnect the battery. Okay, so the battery is out, and now I want to put like one of these magnets inside the phone. This thing, it's not very strong. As you can see, it does stick. It sticks, but we don't want that. So what I'm gonna do is to remove the logic board, remove the wireless charger, and put the magnets underneath the wireless charger.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I just powered on. Face ID can't be activated. Just because I removed the front-facing camera. Now let's see if the MagSafe. Oh no, I made a mess. Okay, and let's see. So it's not charging. It's not very good. Let me plug it into a different power source. Hey, so it does charge. See? So check this out. Phone's not charging. 2%. And let's put it. And it does charge. As you can see, it works, and wireless charging works perfectly, so the magnets are doing their job. Just again, pretty cool. So let's actually put all this just back together. So I broke my screen over this, the reason being the wrong size of magnets. These magnets are not supposed to be inside of the phone. This wouldn't have happened if I'd gotten the right magnets from your iPhones. Give this video a thumbs up so I can buy a new screen, and F in the chat for dead pixels. Now let's move on to the software part. If you're on an iOS version that can be jailbroken, you can download and install a tweak called MagSafe Enabler, after which you'll get native MagSafe charging animation whenever you're using a charger.
As a bonus, you can also download the MagSafe charging sound effect, link for which will be down in the description, and apply it as a charging sound using a free tweak called Spring Sounds.
So here's a little demo of the finished product here. Again, I broke the screen just because I suck at my own advice. I should have gotten better magnets. These magnets, the magnets I put in there were not supposed to be put inside of the phone, and you know, that caused a whole lot of issues. So I'm using a MagSafe case just because of that, because the magnetism of those magnets are not good at all. So I'm using this case. Again, this is going to be a demo of the software side of things, of how the this iPhone is not supposed to have MagSafe, but you know, right now it does. As you can see, the phone actually just registers this as an actual MagSafe, so you get native MagSafe integration here. So the software integration part with this method is certainly here, and it works really well. It even has that same MagSafe chime. I should have been more careful with the screen. If you're gonna be more careful with that, it should turn out fine. And there is just one more thing left to do. These magnets that I got from AliExpress, well, with them I also bought some kind of stickers in a bundle. So there's this one sticker that I love the most, which is "Yeah" sticker, but I'm not gonna put this in. There's one thing I have to do. So we're gonna need scissors, and check this out. Oh.